Hey, what up? It's your boy B. I'm doing a little short video for y'all today. We're going to be having fun because this is going to be a video for all my broke boys that don't want to do the extra work. You know, the people who be in the ghetto that's just trying to do something real quick. Today's video is going to be, how do you say, fixing a flat or repairing a tire with a nail in it without removing the wheel. Because I'm not taking the wheel off today. I don't feel like doing none of that. And we about to fix it right here. I'm about to show you how to do this. Real simple and easy. You may need a jack. You're not going to have to take the wheel off, but you may have to get the car in there. I'll show you the steps right now. Let's go. First, find the car with the leak. My BMW, obviously. Listen for the leak. You can hear it. It's a very audible sound. And then once you hear the leak, listen closely for it. What I always have to do, I found mine right here. Didn't have to mark it because I remember that it was underneath this cut. And how you can tell, you can notice it changes tone as I play with it. So I'm going to show you how you can get to it, okay? Oh, that's the wrong one. It was something that cut the tire. And where it poked the hole is right here. I thought that was it. Yep, nope, this is it. So as you can hear, it's still air in there. So be extra careful that you don't flick no dirt or debris into your own eyes. So you can see exactly where the hole is, so you know where you're going to be trying to stab for. Oh, that's a big hole. That's always lovely. It's a nice little big rusty spot from where the water then sat and then corroded the damn band of the damn tire at. Damn it. Use that same technique, throw it off of there. Now we got our hole, we know exactly where the hole is. Now we're gonna let the air out the tire. For educational purposes only, don't go around letting people air out their tires. You're gonna take your needle noses that you just had and you're gonna lean them up against this nozzle. That nozzle is gonna start to free all the air out the tire. The reason why you want all the air out the tire, you no longer want air in the tire, because if it has air in it, when you go to put this in, it can make it a little finicky, especially trying to get something that's kind of hot and sticky into a hole with cold air coming out of it, okay? We want it to go in there, seat and seal. So we're gonna let this thing down. As you see some moisture coming out of there, you want it as clean as possible. Now your tire should be sort of soft. Just imagine the air is coming out from both ends, that hole and this hole. I'm seeing water drip out of my door seam from sitting for so long at this angle. For sure. Alright, now it's all out. Now the tire's nice and soft. We'll be right back. I'm gonna go get one more thing. I'm gonna go get the tools so we can fill this hole. Alright, so tools we're gonna need today is all your regular tools. This right here, we're gonna use this to kind of grind out the hole, make sure it's open enough so we'll be able to fit our plug in. This is your plug. You're gonna use the tire tube, vulcanizing cement. This is the tool you use to shove that damn plug in there. So let's get this going. Oh yeah, you also gonna need a light because it's cold out here in Michigan. We're gonna heat that up before we put that in there. It makes it easy going in and out. Alright, so we got one main hole. Right here we got a plug. First, this little hole down here we got a plug. We need to get it opened up. And when I say opened up, this is what I mean. Let me get y'all some nice little, so y'all can actually see. Let's get this in here. Find a hole where we had our hole at. Sometimes you gotta rub a little bit harder, especially because remember, we didn't take the wheel off. If we'd had the wheel off, we'd have had more leverage. You see how I'm rotating it, right? That's what you're gonna have to do. Keep rotating, pushing in. You'll feel it eventually break the bands and you'll get through. Once you're getting through, that's when you know you're gonna be able to get your rubber into there. But my bad. All right, we're in there. All right. And once you're in there, now back it out. Same way you was coming in there. Make sure you grind it and twisting as you're coming out. So now we got that going. We got our hole. You know you can get inside of there. Make sure it's open completely. Alright. Now you got that open. You're gonna take her. Gonna slide this in here. We're doing all this one take. There ain't no second shots. Alright. Hopefully y'all can see this. You're gonna squeeze it in between the little kind of forks of this part, okay? Once you got her in there, that's the best way to do it. You got her in there. She's a little flexy right now. We want her a little more flexy than that. So, I'll be right here. Thank you, Beth.
You're welcome.
Get that thing warmed up nice and warm. Don't be scared. I got mechanic hands, so don't burn me, y'all. Don't be in the comments talking about, oh, this kid's crazy. The real mechanics know what I'm talking about. If I had a torch, I'd just grab my torch. Well, I do got a torch, but I ain't going in the house to go get it right now.
You want me to?
No, we already here.
Here, you want me to hold this?
No, you good. I'm just not trying to get it too dirty. Hold on, I can't see if you cover up my fucking view.
Oh, sorry.
Alright, now we got that on there. Just keep it up.
The kids are in the back playing.
That's good.
Oh, we can bring that racetrack in now too for Kai.
Oh, yeah. You're right in there.
I don't think you got anything looking at.
Yeah, I don't think I do either. Trying to see if I did.
Well, this is supposed to be the glue.
Yeah. But you don't got too much left, so fuck it.
You want me to go get the sticker glue? Or the tack glue? That's pretty cool.
Nope.
You need help?
Nope. Shit. And ain't nothing to it but to do it. Ain't that what Bondo Billy say?
You want me to get my tack glue? No.
Nope. What'd I say?
Should I just go get it just in case to put
No,
on the top?
that's good. I got it in the hole, look.
Mm-hmm. Oh, what do you do with that part?
Cut it off.
Oh.
Alright, now hold on 2 seconds. Go get my cutting tool. For all my people from the streets, on a budget, that's how you do it. On the lows. We keeping it humble on the low skis. I'm still repairing tires at the crib in front of the house skis. You ever need me, hit my number. It's not 313Z's. It's 248. Hit me up. I got you, man. Like, B&B Street Dreams, we having fun. Yeah, that was for all my cheap dudes when you at home and trying to get shit done. But we had the jump starter because I let her sit for too long. We gonna get back to working on this car, but when we do, we're gonna be pulling the motor off this car. We're gonna take this thing out of here and we're gonna pull this thing apart, rebuild it, because the exhaust manifold's like fucked up. I need to just take the time and I'm gonna use this as the donor motor for that car. I was thinking about going to get a block from a junkyard, but F all of that, we're gonna use this, build this up, and just have an unbeatable car. This is gonna be super reliable daily build ordeal setups. It's gonna be fun, because now I can use all the spare parts from this car to use as backup on that car, and then this drift car is getting LS. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna see what we can do. Let's have some fun, y'all.